This alert was sent by the emergency alert system. Recently, a mom noticed her son zoning out in front of the TV, then randomly gets knocked out. All we know from the mom is that he was watching a series called The Lurker. The Lurker is a series about a person who goes out alone one night. And then the story starts. It's another layout of the hero's journey, famously also put in hit series Murder Drones, Harry Potter, and many others. We believe this is correlated to the disappearances of Tyler Runby, watching the series in his room, Mike Runby watching the series from the computer library, and Alice Runby watching the series in her class right before graduation. Beware to watch what your kids watch.
I've had a bad feeling about this series for so long, so here's what I've documented. For years, people watched The Lurker as it became a very famous series across the world. Although people started to go missing while watching The Lurker, and I found files that state mind control test. Upon hit series The Lurker EAS, people went missing again and again, such as Ryan Willoughby and all of the Runby family. Along with many others, people started to make their documents, such as I, myself, Kira Runby, as the mother of all my missing children. I feel as if it's my own responsibility to let people know all over the world. Surely people would actually report this, but no, people push this aside as if it was nothing, even ignoring their missing children at one point. As a mother, this is very sickening to know that people ignore their own children. Maybe they were brainwashed, or maybe something entirely new that us humans haven't discovered yet.
This is not a drill, I repeat. This is not a drill. The Lurker suddenly came out on someone's TV. The person said that before he was knocked out, he saw the Lurker come out of the TV. We turned on sirens to distract the thing from eating anyone. Wait, is that? Wait, play.